Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for these electric heated socks. So this is going to be a product overview video. So I'm going to show you how the product looks, what it comes with, how they work, and I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So you can see here are the socks right here. It's a nice thick material sock, nice and comfortable. It has pattern right here. So this is where it warms up. This is where you store the battery inside this little convenient pocket. And then here's the plug for it. The batteries are right here. So it comes with two batteries. Here's your on and off button. It shows your temperature. The temperature goes up from 104 to 149 degrees. And then here's your battery level. And then this is where you charge it with the USB-C charging plug. So when you're ready to put the battery inside your sock, you plug it in like so. You hold down the power button. And then the 4 is telling you that it's set at the highest level at the 149 degrees. So you put it inside the pocket, you hide the cables. You can either put the button inside, so that way that it doesn't come outside. With the battery installed, you can see how easy it is to put the socks on. You slide them on like a regular sock. And I can already feel the heat coming to the bottom of my feet right here. So they feel nice and warm. My feet are going to stay nice and warm during the winter months. And you can see how high that it comes. It comes all the way to calf level. The material is nice and breathable. So even though that the socks are warming up at the bottom, my feet are not going to sweat as much in the colder months. Another good thing about these socks is that they're machine washable once you take the batteries out. If I want to change the temperature, say if it gets too hot, I just gotta press the power button and then it will lower the heat. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm gonna post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is some great electric heated socks. I like how the material is nice and comfortable to wear. I also like how the material is a breathable material. So even when I'm not using it for the heat, my feet won't sweat as much into it. I also like how the battery warms the socks up nice and quickly, and they're very easy to use. The battery life on the batteries lasts a decent amount of time, and to charge it is very easy. So these are some great socks to have in the winter months.